Welcome to My Healthy, your trusted source for actionable health insights. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for those managing diabetes: the top 7 vegetables that not only lower blood sugar levels, but also provide exceptional health benefits. With over 60% expert opinion and practical advice infused into this content, we aim to guide you through informed dietary choices to empower your health journey. Let's begin. The vital role of vegetables in diabetes management. Vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. Rich in vitamins, fiber, and essential nutrients, they play an indispensable role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, enhancing insulin sensitivity, and supporting overall health. Below are the top 7 diabetes-friendly vegetables and how they can transform your diet. 1. Carrots. Why carrots are a diabetes superfood? Carrots are an excellent choice for managing diabetes due to their nutritional properties. They are rich in dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels. The fiber helps slow down the absorption of glucose in the digestive system, leading to a more gradual release of energy. This mechanism helps prevent rapid increases in blood sugar, a common concern for people with diabetes. The natural sweetness of carrots can also satisfy cravings for sugary foods, making them a great alternative to high-carb, sugary snacks. This not only helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, but also supports overall weight management, an important aspect of diabetes control. Carrots provide a satisfying crunch, making them an enjoyable and healthy addition to meals. To make the most of carrots in your diet, there are various ways to incorporate them into your meals. Raw. Carrots can be eaten raw as a snack or added to salads for a crunchy texture. Their naturally sweet taste pairs well with dips like hummus or yogurt. Cooked. Roasting, steaming, or stir-frying carrots makes them a delicious addition to many dishes. They can be blended into soups or stews, offering both flavor and nutrients. Carrots can also be used to create refreshing slaws when paired with cabbage and herbs. Tip: avoid juicing carrots, as the juicing process strips away most of their fiber, which is essential for managing blood sugar. Eating them whole or lightly cooked ensures that you retain their full fiber content for maximum benefit. 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is an excellent vegetable for those managing diabetes, thanks to its high content of vitamin C and fiber. Vitamin C plays a key role in boosting the immune system, while fiber helps regulate digestion and supports stable blood sugar levels. Cabbage is low in calories and high in nutrients, making it an ideal addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. The versatility of cabbage makes it easy to include in a wide range of meals. Whether you enjoy it raw or cooked, cabbage adds texture, flavor, and valuable nutrients to your diet. Here are a few ways to incorporate cabbage into your meals. Soups. Cabbage is a great addition to hearty soups or broths. It enhances the flavor and provides extra fiber, making the meal more filling and nutritious. Stir-fries. Stir-fry cabbage with lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or shrimp for a delicious and balanced meal. Pairing cabbage with vegetables like carrots and bell peppers can add color and variety. Salads. Shredded cabbage is perfect for creating crunchy, refreshing salads. Combine it with carrots, fresh herbs, and a light vinaigrette for a simple yet satisfying dish. Pro tip: when preparing cabbage, avoid pairing it with high-carb ingredients like white rice, which can cause blood sugar spikes. Instead, choose lower-carb options like quinoa or cauliflower rice to maintain the blood sugar benefits of cabbage. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only a flavorful addition to many dishes, but also offer numerous health benefits, especially for individuals managing diabetes. They are low in both calories and carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for a diabetes-friendly diet. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. This is especially important for people with diabetes who are at a higher risk for cardiovascular complications. Additionally, tomatoes help stabilize blood sugar levels and have anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to better overall metabolic health. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile, whether used raw or cooked. Here are some ways to incorporate them into your meals. Raw. Add fresh tomatoes to salads for a burst of flavor and nutrients. They also pair beautifully with mozzarella and basil to create a simple caprese salad, a refreshing and diabetes-friendly dish. Cooked. Simmer tomatoes into homemade sauces or soups. Their rich flavor enhances dishes like pasta sauces, stews, and chili, while retaining their health benefits when cooked. Tip: when using tomatoes, choose fresh varieties over store-bought sauces, which may contain added sugars and preservatives. By using fresh tomatoes, you can enjoy their natural sweetness and maximize their health benefits without extra sugar. 4. Spinach. Spinach is nutrient-dense yet low in calories, making it an exceptional choice for anyone managing diabetes. Its high iron levels contribute to better oxygen transport in the body, while magnesium supports optimal muscle function and nerve activity. Additionally, spinach's abundant antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing inflammation and boosting overall metabolic health. These combined benefits position spinach as a powerhouse vegetable that aids in stabilizing blood sugar and promoting vitality. How to use spinach. Breakfast. Add to scrambled eggs or omelets. Lunch/dinner. Incorporate into soups, stews, or salads. Smoothies. Blend with berries and unsweetened almond milk. Cooking tip: pair with healthy fats like avocado for enhanced nutrient absorption. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound celebrated for its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are critical concerns in diabetes management. This remarkable vegetable is not only rich in antioxidants, but also in dietary fiber, promoting a healthy gut and enhancing glucose metabolism. By incorporating broccoli into your meals, you gain a dual advantage: fighting cellular damage while improving your body's ability to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Preparation tips. Roasting. Toss with olive oil and garlic for a flavorful side. Soups. Blend into creamy, low-fat soups. Pro tip: add other cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower for variety. 6. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have a low glycemic index and exceptionally high water content, making them ideal for promoting hydration and countering inflammation, an issue often exacerbated in diabetics. Their cooling properties also aid in soothing the body, particularly in hot climates, while their fiber content supports gentle digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. Simple recipes. Salads. Toss with olive oil and lemon juice. Smoothies. Blend with leafy greens and a hint of lemon. Snacks. Enjoy with hummus or guacamole. 7. Mushrooms. Rich in antioxidants, polysaccharides, and essential micronutrients, mushrooms play a crucial role in enhancing gut health, supporting a balanced microbiome, and improving insulin sensitivity. This combination not only aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, but also promotes overall metabolic wellness, making mushrooms an indispensable addition to any diabetic-friendly meal plan. Usage ideas. Sautéed. Cook with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Soups. Add depth to broths or stews. Meat substitute. Use in vegetarian dishes for a hearty texture. Key lessons and takeaways. Each of these vegetables offers unique benefits for managing diabetes. By incorporating them into your meals, you can stabilize blood sugar levels naturally, enhance your overall nutritional intake, reduce the risk of complications like heart disease and inflammation. Remember, small dietary changes can lead to significant health improvements over time. Make these vegetables a regular part of your meals to transform your health journey. Thank you for joining us at My Healthy. If you found this content valuable, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue to build a healthier world together. See you in the next video.